Good morning. I hope you're having a great day today. Today, our goal is to solve multi-step word problems, and you know you're ready for this. You will need Lesson 12 problem set, a pencil, and you might want like a colored pencil. I know sometimes a colored pencil will help me to see different things that I'm looking at. Right. So if you need to grab those things, go ahead and then we'll get started. All right, so you might remember from previous years the read, draw, write strategy. So we definitely want to continue that this year. There are 3 main steps to that. 1, read and visualize. So you're being a great reader, and I know you guys are great readers, so you'll be great with this. Next, draw. So you need some sort of model. A tape diagram might be the best model for this, because if you look at our goal at the bottom of the page, we know we're solving standard addition algorithm with tape diagrams. So we want to use that goal to help us to make this as simple as possible. We don't want to make things more complicated than they need to be. And then finally, you need to write an equation and a statement at the end. So let's not make the mistake that a lot of 4th graders make and forget to read the directions. So first we want to read our directions. Estimate and then solve each problem. I know estimating means rounding to the largest value and then solve each problem. So I'm estimating first to make sure that my answer will make sense in the end. Model the problem with a tape diagram. That's where I'll draw, and explain if your answer is reasonable. All that is asking is, does my answer make sense or is it totally off? All right, for the bake sale, Connie baked 144 cookies. Whoa, I can just picture that in my head, Connie baking all of those cookies, and I know you can too. Esther baked 49 more cookies than Connie. Okay, so I'm picturing even more cookies from Esther's point of view. About how many cookies did Connie and Esther bake? Estimate by rounding each number to the nearest 10 before adding. Okay, so I know that I want to keep things organized, and so I'm going to number this. 1, read, and I'll read again because I want it fresh in my mind. 2, draw, and I think that for this problem I'm going to need a tape diagram for Connie and a tape diagram for Esther. And I know Esther has 49 more cookies than Connie, and so I'm going to show that right here. It's going to be 49 more. Okay. I know that I'm going to round each number, so I'm going to round 144. And so I could do round that. And then when I find out the total number of cookies Esther has, then I'm going to round that. And then I'll add these 2 numbers, and I'll be able to find out how many cookies Connie and Esther baked. But here I'm only looking for that estimated or rounded number. I'm not actually adding. It's down here with B that I'm actually adding, and I know that because it says exactly, so it's very precise. And then I need to see, is my rounded answer and my exact answer reasonable when I check with C? And so good mathematicians are also good readers, and we need to make sure we're taking the time to read and plan out before we even solve here. But I know you'll be great with that. Today, your must-do work is all of page 180. When I grade these, I'll be looking for models. I'll be looking to make sure that there's evidence that you've read. And so you might want something like R, or maybe like a statement explaining what you're picturing. I'll need calculations, so rounding, maybe a number line if you need it, and an addition equation. And then we'll need a statement here. Is your answer reasonable? So all of page 180, all of page 181, and if you have more time than you may do page 182. Okay. You also need to practice this on Zern for about 20 minutes. Remember, it's okay to not know. It's not okay to not try. Okay, so you must try, and you're ready for this. Have a great day.